Hi everyone, in this video I'll review Ava Credit Builder and help you decide if it's worth using or if you should leave it. Let's dive in. Ava Credit Builder is a credit building tool designed to help you improve your credit score. It works by allowing you to build credit while using a small, secured line of credit. One of the biggest pros of Ava Credit Builder is its easy application process, which doesn't require a credit check, making it accessible for individuals with no credit or poor credit. It also reports your payments to the major credit bureaus, which can help you improve your credit score over time. Additionally, there's no annual fee, which makes it an affordable option. However, a con of Ava Credit Builder is that it requires you to put down a deposit, and this might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're looking for a completely free way to build credit. So is Ava Credit Builder worth it? If you're looking to build or repair your credit and can afford the deposit, it's a solid option to consider. And that's it. I hope this Ava Credit Builder review helped you to make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.